Hello children, welcome back to Kids Up channel A to Z. Today we are going to learn how to draw a Kinderjoy. First we draw a oval shape. Then we draw an oval shape. After that we draw a curve inside that oval shape. Very easy children. Then draw it 3 cute little hearts. After that you draw a one circle. Within one circle they draw 2 small circles. Then we write a Kinderjoy inside that oval shape. K-I-N-D-E-R J-O-Y Kinderjoy. It's very easy children. We also try at home. Then after that we draw a smiley face. Then we coloring the Kinderjoy. We take pink color to coloring the Kinderjoy. We coloring the Kinderjoy. Which color is this children? It's a pink color. Baby pink color. To coloring the Kinderjoy, it's very easy children. Wow, it's cute. Then we take another color. It's a light green color to coloring the Kinderjoy. Which color is this children? It's a light green color to coloring the Kinderjoy. After that we take pink color to coloring the 3 little hearts. Then we take black color to coloring the 2 cute little eyes. It's finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you children.